Hey everybody, welcome back. Okay, so we are on part 2 of canning homemade vegetable stock. And the reason we're doing 2 parts is because I found some cheesecloth and we're going to strain this out because it was just too cloudy. I am going to keep some in the jars that I did. I think I'll just do 3 jars the way I showed you in the first video. But we're going to strain it out through the cheesecloth. This way we have a little bit clearer broth. And we'll just do enough to fill a couple jars so I can show you what this looks like and then the difference between the two. So this is not the right cheesecloth. You want a very, very fine cheesecloth in order to catch all the little particles, all the little vegetables and stuff pieces that are left. You can also take out the vegetables out of your stock pot and then emulsify the little pieces that are in there and then strain it, which is probably an easier way to do it. Now we're just getting vegetable paste, it looks like. I wonder what that would be like if we dehydrated that. Vegetable stock powder? Okay, my husband just said terrible, but I might try anyway, you never know. Okay, so this is a very slow process. And we don't have enough cheesecloth to fill all of the colander. Let's do a couple jars. Enough for a couple jars, I mean. So just wait until that's... Oh yeah, that looks much better. Okay. Yes. See, husbands come in handy sometimes, you guys. And he's not a canner, but he is a cook. So yeah, it looks much better. It comes out good either way. Because really, it doesn't look that cloudy, but there are lots of pieces in there. Oh, it's going to that side now. Okay. Okay, we're going to let this go down, and then I will fill a couple jars and show you what it looks like. Okay, got it going. Okay, it's just about done. I'll just put that one on top of there. Now this on top of there. This way I can get, yeah, that's enough for a couple jars. Okay. All right, you want to hold this for me?
Big difference.
Okay. Yeah, there is a big difference. Okay, let me wash this really quickly. Pull that off. Okay. All right, guys. So I'm gonna do it this way. That looks so much better. Yeah, I like that. Still a little bit cloudy, but much better. I like that. I'm just gonna fill a jar and I will show you guys the difference. And again, I'm gonna do an inch of headspace and then can it at 10 pounds pressure for 35 minutes. Okay, there you go. Look at that, that looks beautiful. Okay, compared to this. So I guess I'm gonna redo all of these because that looks so much better. Okay, there you go. And I will show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. Thanks for watching, you guys.